Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to change icon shape into your Honor 8. First step, go into Play Store and find X icon editor application. This one. Need install, wait for installing. Then open and wait a second for loading this application. Need close ads, and now need choose application, for example black desert, maybe this one. And now we got two options: background color, this one, maybe black, blue or white, for example, or without color, and next option is shape. And choose some shape, for example, like circle, maybe this one. And when you choose your shape, click OK in the top right corner. Wait a second for generating. Close ads one more time. And now we got a new icon shape of our Black Desert mobile. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.